Why 12? Because 11 is an incomplete government. So the vacancy of one tribe or one apostle is a state of crisis. The election of Matthias was not a luxury, was the restoration of the perfect jurisdictional quorum required to judge Israel. This judgment is proven by the 12 thrones, which are the explicit judicial authority, where Yeshua links these 12 men to historical and future judgment of the 12 tribes in Matthew 19:28. And Yeshua said to them, "Verily I say unto you, that ye which have followed me in the regeneration, when the Son of Man shall sit in the throne of his glory, ye also shall sit upon 12 thrones, judging the 12 tribes of Israel." So here 12 is the number of ultimate judicial sovereignty. So the church does not discard the tribes. It becomes the standard by which they are judged. And that's why we have 12 foundations of the New Jerusalem. In the final vision of the glory of the church, the number 12 defines the borders and the foundation of the eternal city. Revelations 21:14. And the wall of the city had 12 foundations, and them the names of the 12 apostles of the Lamb. So the New Jerusalem is built upon these 12 men. It's a perfect city with a perfect organizational state of the people of God. The apostles are sitting on 12 thrones, acting as the high court of the covenant. They are the architects of the church, the 12 pillars. And Revelations 21:24, the city walls had 12 foundations. That one inscribes the name of the 12 apostles of the Lamb. So we've established, and what's important to know, a question that's important to ask is, why do we have the number 12? What is the secret of the number 12? Why is 12 the number of sovereign administration?